That car looks like it. Oh my god! Seriously?
Wow! Wow! So that's what you got to do if you're driving an Audi and somebody stops for a traffic light, yeah? Someone else stops for a red light, you just go around the car that's doing what is required of them and go, wow, man, that is special. That is fucking special. In fact, that was so special, you can have the award for most special person of the day. About as intelligent as a pickled cabbage, man. Pickled cabbage. And you would have a much better time seeing where you're going if you unfogged your windscreen before driving off, you monkey.
So I might go to that as well.
I stand corrected, Alexi. I called someone a rotten cabbage or something earlier, or a boiled cabbage. Pickled cabbage, man. There's fucking idiots everywhere today. They keep putting out in front of you, Alexi.
Oh yeah.
I know. Rear cam. Mental case, man. There's another pickled cabbage. Well, let's go careful. This bus got his hazard lights on. It might do something stupid. There. Oh no! No, you didn't. Oh, you poor learner. You shouldn't have done that, but I'm sure the instructor told you shouldn't have done that. Oh, bless him. Obviously, the red light coming up here is red, but from you, if you're coming from the left, where that learner come from, you go through the red light, don't you? Because it doesn't apply to you. Does that make sense or not? Like, you're coming from that way. This light's obviously going to be red because the traffic's got to stop. Like these traffic here. Big arrow, Benji, big arrow. Oh, bless him. Yeah, tosser. Phil Collins, cheer me up. Thank you. What a nice driver. He could have just charged forward, but he didn't. Most people would have done that, but he actually waited. It's not often that happens. So, congratulations to you. Nicest person of the day. I'm having a bad day today. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at the queue of traffic. Wow. Dirty little fuck. Ugh. Ooh. Dirty bitch. Ugh. That was nice though, and that was stylised, man. That was a stylish dirty bitch.
The girls finished school, didn't they?
This week, I think.
This week.
Yeah.
Or we could like.
Let's go, boys! Let's go! Well, yeah, I would have let you go, but fine, whatever. CMD. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Oh, wow. There's a one-way system, man. Wow, I love cyclists. Wow, wow, you silly bitch. So we'll have to go on Google Maps and show you what she did. She came out the wrong lane, then stuck her indicator on. So it's a good job I had my eyes open, because she fucking didn't, did she?
Oh my god! Seriously? You're gonna have to, aren't you?
Oh, I'm not moving. Shit, did I pick up the rear cam? Right, we need to explain this now.
Yeah.
It says, pull out, let buses pull out if it's safe to do so.
Yeah.
If you've got someone up your ass, yeah,
It's not safe to do
it's not
so.
safe to stop for that bus, right?
No.
Especially when he puts the indicator and just jumps out like that, yeah?
Yeah.
It was not safe for me to stop. I didn't stop, yeah?
Yeah.
He cannot force himself out. This is me teaching you now. I'm trying to teach you driving lessons, how to be a normal person on the road, not absolute clown. If it's not safe to stop, then you don't stop, yeah? But
Yeah.
they have to respect that, yeah? Because they don't know what's behind you, yeah?
Yeah.
They can't see a tiny little car behind me. They just see me,
Yeah.
right? So if it's not safe to stop, you don't stop. They can't push themselves out like that.
No,
They
can't.
think they can, and there's probably people watching this who are
No,
going to
I
go...
think it's a little bit different. Like, you know when you're on like, is it a two-way road? Two-way road. You know, like when they haven't got a designated bus stop. Well, they've got a bus stop, but it's like on the road. You can't get past it without going onto the other side of the road. Yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't overtake
Yeah.
that one.
No, you won't overtake that one. But that one had its own spot. It was stopped in his little bus stop place where nobody else is allowed to go. Yeah, nobody drives in it. Then that's different.
Watch the hate comments come in for that one.
What, for the bus?
Yeah, there are going to be so many people, well, not so many, just idiots going, oh, you should have stopped for him, you should have stopped for him. Same as if you got like a car up your ass
Yeah.
and the light just changed orange, where normally you'd slam your brakes on, you'd be able to stop. If there's a car up your ass, you wouldn't do it, you would carry on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We'll just call him a pickled cabbage and be done with it. That's what we call
No, I
him.
like pickled cabbage. Can't call it pickled cabbage.
Yeah, but they're really limp and stupid and pathetic, aren't they? So it's like people driving today. It's going to be fun driving down to your mouth.
Good luck.
Yeah. Alright, so seeing as we're stuck in traffic and we're not moving very fast, let's analyse, let's have a discussion in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts, I want to hear your opinions and your interpretation of the Highway Code rule number, that one. Have a little read of it, let me know what you think, right? And then tell me what your opinion is. Because in my opinion, right, if a bus wants to come out, that there tells me that they can't force their way out. They have to be given priority. They have to be allowed to come out. So my interpretation is, if a bus is in its bus stop and you choose to go round it, not one of these bus stops, right, you have to let those out. I know that because he's already on the road. But if they're sort of off to the side, they're in their own little alcove, they're in little space, yeah, away from the main road with the little broken giveaway line, okay, they in my eyes, if you wanted to, if you want to be a right dickhead, you could drive past. Hundreds and hundreds of cars could drive past, and there's nothing that bus can do to force himself out, right? They will do it. I know they'll do it. But the way this is worded, and my interpretation of it, is that they should not force their way out unless given a chance to do so by a driver. Yeah? Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments what you think of that little paragraph, because it'll be interesting to hear what everyone has to say. Paying particular attention to the bit that says if it is safe to do so. Like I said, if there's someone up your ass and you would not like to slam on your brakes or slow down rapidly for the bus, then that is your choice, and the bus has to respect that. Like I said, it's one of those things where everyone like has their own opinion on it and everyone interprets it differently. But me, if it is not safe for me to put my brakes on, I will not do it for a bus, and they have to respect that. That's my thoughts on it. And let me know what you think in the comments. I am like genuinely interested.